Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all can see my whereabouts. I am at the capital junk fiesta of the world. Nah, guys, I'm at pull apart. I have to come out. I'm looking for a road 401. What is this? 400 through 405. So this must be 400. 401. I'm looking for a 20. What I'm working on is a 2010 Chrysler 300 for a young lady. Transmission is out. Is this it? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, this is it. They already got. Oh, I'm looking for the TCM transmission model. This is a nag, so it's not. I don't know what used to be in here. Can anybody look in there and tell me whether there used to be a nag? What was the option on the 2010? 42RE or the nag? So with this being a 3, here's how you can tell. Remember I told y'all how we talked about those connectors? If there's only 3 connectors, that means the green connectors for transmission. Look like somebody already cut these. So I don't know if there was 3 or 4. If it was only 3 connectors, guys, that means the 4th pin connector on the PCM. PCM is gone. It's likely the 4th pin is wow, look, somebody dropped the cradle. They got the engine and everything out of this mud. Engine and trans probably. I don't care. I just need the freaking TCM. My problem, some of these TCMs are not so much discontinued, they just so freaking expensive. If I was a nag TCM, I would hide under the steering wheel like everybody else. Like all the other models. Oh yeah, they done gutted this out, but I don't know how long it's been out here, but where is... Oh no. Don't tell me. See, the thing is, guys, I don't even know if the car was equipped with a nag, because remember, only 2 connectors on there on the PCM. I can dissect this VIN. Yes, this VIN. If I run it through my database, it'll tell me if the engine was equipped with a nag. I should be able to see a TCM hovering over, and I don't, guys. See a BCM. Let me see something, guys. Anybody out here got a nag? Nags are pretty unique. Well, I saw a Charger right here. Some of the Chargers had nags. Some of the Magnums. Y'all remember the Magnums? Definitely not a nag in a 2.7, equipped with a 2.7. All right, I'm not gonna walk the whole lot. So the more fancier the engine, if it's a Hemi, it's gonna be equipped with a nag. Let me put it like that. I've never seen a Hemi equipped with a 42RE or anything like that. So like that's 2.7. This is a V6. Anything V6, there's a chance, but a slim chance. Oh man, that damn. Let me pull this, yank this cover down and see. Am I just not seeing what I think I'm supposed to be seeing? Oh, see, even this 300, I don't know if it had a V6 or V8. If it was a Hemi, yes, it's gonna be equipped with a nag, but there's nothing here. All right, hold tight, Let me grab a tool. I might not be looking good enough. Hold tight. All right, grab my just so I can get this now. Typically, if I was a nag, oh no, guys, I don't think this car is equipped. This is a big, huge Chrysler 300. What on earth? Man, damn. I don't see no TCM, guys. Now, normally they be housed like right Oh, is it above the steering column? No, I don't even see. I think the last one, guys, this car is so old, I can't remember. I know they had them right around this area. The reason, the TCM, I think I gotta pulled up a internal failure. Not much you can do with internal failures, guys, as far as computers, automotive computers, PCM or TCM. When you see internal failures, one thing you can do is make sure positive and grounds are on point. But other than that, it's like the problem is internal. So, oh man. And it's a Touring, so you would think it'd be fully loaded. Guess not. Watch, I'm gonna get home and crack this VIN. Watch it say something stupid like a 2.7 or a 3.5. 3 different options. 2 V6s in the form of a 2.7 and a 3.5. All right, and then there's the V8 version, which is the Hemi. That the engine only gets the nag. Okay. Yes, they wanted the biggest engine paired with the biggest transmission, heavy duty transmission, which at that time was the nag. We don't use neither one of those now. We use the Hemi engine, but we don't use FCA don't use the nag in it. They got a more beefier transmission in the form of a 8-speed rear-wheel drive transmission. So yeah, that 8-speed ZF make that. All right, guys, y'all, bringing back some memories. Who's still rolling the inline 6-cylinder on the Grand Cherokee? Okay, I'm disappointed. I might as well go. Big waste of time. I looked it up on the internet. It said they had 12010, but they didn't tell me nothing was freaking under here. All right, guys. Big old colossal waste of time. What do I do now? What's option B? Plan B. Remember, guys, here in the Atlanta area, there are 3 different pull-apart locations. Okay, I just happen to be at East. Y'all see my nice side job mechanic bag? I'm at East right now, but there's always South and there's always North, but they are a little further. This one right here is right up the street from my house, so it's fairly easy to get to. But I don't know. Here's my other option. I can always just order one. You know, like I say, it do not have to be brand new. The dealership price, I'm not trying to discourage anybody from going OEM brand new, but we're talking about a 2010 model car, guys. So you weigh your own options. If a computer, you know, what wears inside of a computer? I mean, a computer is either going to work or it's not. I'm not sure it's dubbed a wearable item. I mean, I've heard the saying before, but I never understood it. My computer wore out. Like, wore out? Like, how do you... Like I said, I guess the circuit board can finally give out, but that's not like wearing out. You ever heard anybody say, man, my computer going bad? Like, does that make sense? My computer, my PCM going bad. It either displaying a problem or it's not. I'm not sure it can be going bad, but this one, you know what's weird? I'm gonna try something, guys. I've already checked the battery connection, so here's what I'm gonna try this before I invest or get her to invest in. I'm gonna reset everything, reroute a new ground and positive terminal, because it's just a code. It's just and it turns on the check engine light, I want to say. So I'm gonna try something, but for now, let me get out of here, man. Wow, look at that, guys. What they got going on right there? Y'all know it's close to Halloween, so I guess they clowning around with the little doom buggies. Alright, guys, I wasted my time and y'all's. But I don't know, some of you guys like to watch this stuff, so to each his own. I am done. That's supposed to be a spider Halloween car. Who knows? Guys, I'm out. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.